Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Aidur Rahman from Bangladesh. Sir, my question is, if my future target is to be like Dr. Zakir Naik, then what should we do now?
The brother asked the question that if your future target is to be like Dr. Zakir Naik, what should you do now? That's a good question. First, I would say that depending upon your age and what you're doing, I'm not aware. But generally, I would say that if a person wants, not that whatever Dr. Zakir Naik has done you have to do, because I did many things that I should not do, but Allah made it possible. So best number one is that if you are a child, see to it you put your child in an Islamic school, number one. After you grow up, if possible, see to it that you join a graduation of an Islamic studies. Join an Islamic university. The best ones are in the Gulf country, whether it be Imam Saud or Jamiatul Imam. It can be Medina University. It can be Ummul Qura. It can be in Qatar. It can be in UAE. Non-Arab university, best IIUM is a good university. I think Islamic University is also there in Perlis. So join an Islamic university, do Islamic studies. If you want to do dawah, the best would be Sharia, so that you can answer questions on fiqh. If you see to it that if you can do hifz, though Zakir Naik is not a hafiz, but Allah has helped, I can quote from the Quran. If you are not, try and become hafizul Quran. Learn Arabic as a language. And then, after that, while doing this, you can do the course on my platform, Al-Hidayah. So first is Islamic school, you're already out of school now. Join, become a graduate in Islamic studies if you can, whether it be Sharia, whether it be Hadith, whether it be Tafsir, whether it be Islamic studies. You become Hafiz al-Quran also, learn Arabic as a language, look up Fasa. Along with that, do the course on Al-Hidayah, International Dawah Training Program. And inshallah, this will, depending upon how much you strive, depending upon how much you please Allah, how much ibadah you do, how much tahajjud you pray, that much Allah will help you. How much you sacrifice. If you want to be Dr. Zakir Naik, see to it that major portion of your income you give in charity. Whether you're earning 1,000 ringgit or whether you're earning 1,000,000 ringgit. See to it that you give more than 50% of your income in charity. Start with this and inshallah, Allah will help you. Hope that answers the question.
Thank you so much, sir.